Hello, I'm Lelda Smits for the Finance News Network, and joining me from the Antares High Growth Shares Fund is its Senior Investment Manager, Richard Dixon. Richard, welcome to FNN.
Thank you for having me.
Richard, what does the Antares High Growth Shares Fund aim to do?
The High Growth Shares Fund aims to significantly outperform the ASX 200 index over the medium to longer term. There are three key strategies that we employ to achieve that differentiate it from traditional Australian share funds. Firstly, there's short selling. Secondly, enhanced long positions or larger overweights. And thirdly, active trading. So the fund can short sell up to 25% of the fund value and in stocks that we feel are going to underperform or fall in value. We can then reinvest those proceeds into stocks that are preferred, that we like, to take larger overweight positions. And this really diversifies and increases the opportunity set that we can invest in. And thirdly, we employ some active trading to take advantage of shorter term opportunities, such as pairs trading and the like, to add value off shorter term situations. And
how do you choose stocks for the fund?
We have a large and experienced equity investment team which undertakes detailed bottom-up valuation analysis and a very extensive company visitation program. We believe there are 8 key factors that influence company valuations over the long term, and some of these include such things as earnings trends, balance sheet strength, and quality of management, and industry structure would be some of the key factors that we focus on. Once we put all of those inputs into our valuations, we then come up with a valuation and a target price for where we think that stock is likely to trade to in the following 12 months. And we then combine this with our own market insights to construct a portfolio.
So Richard, what makes this fund different?
Well, there are 3 things that make this fund different. Firstly, I think the fund provides exposure to a high quality and diversified Australian share portfolio based on our proven investment process. Secondly, I think the strength of the team. We have a very stable and diversified, experienced team. I've been working on the fund for 13 years and have been the lead manager for the last 7. And I really think that stability through different cycles and conditions helps to deliver the outcomes. And I think thirdly, the performance. The fund has delivered a return of 11.4% net of all fees per annum since inception 14 years ago.
And can you explain the investment philosophy behind the Antares High Growth Shares Fund?
So we employ a style agnostic approach where we aim to deliver strong performance in different market conditions. So we really feel that we are trying to have a contrarian bias in the way that we invest with a strong valuation focus. And we really want to protect people's capital as much as we can in more difficult market conditions. So we're very focused on strong risk-adjusted returns for clients.
Finally, Richard, which stocks have you recently added to the portfolio and why?
So one stock we've added to the fund in recent months has been Sydney Airport. So we initiated a position in the stock late last year, and really we're attracted to the strong valuation appeal in the stock, the long life monopoly asset of Sydney Airport, which is the core asset. And really we saw some healthy upside for that valuation to be closed. Now, some of the catalysts for that to close included there was a sell down occurring from Macquarie Group was going to distribute their stake in Sydney Airport. So we took that as an opportunity to actually increase our stake as that stock came onto the market. Secondly, we saw some other opportunities for that gap to close. There's strong interest in infrastructure assets from pension funds all around the world, and we felt that with that sort of valuation discount that would close in the preceding months. There was also an opportunity for them to potentially buy back some of the leased assets that are owned by Qantas that would be accretive to the valuation for Sydney Airport as well. So all of these factors contribute us to add it in and continue to own the stock.
Richard Dixon, thank you for the introduction to the Antares High Growth Shares Fund.
Okay, thanks very much.